How long is the rope? Let's measure it using maracas. We have to make sure there are no gaps or overlaps when we measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The rope is as long as 10 maracas. How many maracas long is the rope? Tap the number. 10. The rope is as long as 10 maracas. How many snow boots long is the rope? 6. The rope is as long as 6 boots. How many beanies long is the rope? 8. The rope is as long as 8 beanies. Now let's measure the toy box using some presents. 1, 2. The toy box is as big as 3 presents. How big is the toy box? Let's use the small presents to measure it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You did it! The toy box is as big as 10 small presents. Sort the friends from shortest to tallest. Tap the green button when you are done. Oops! Remember to put the shortest first. Sort the friends from shortest to tallest. Tap the green button when you are done. You put them in order. Now let's measure their height. How tall is Alo? He is as tall as how many nutcrackers? Alo is as tall as 4 nutcrackers. How tall is Cody? She is as tall as how many nutcrackers? 3. Cody is as tall as 3 nutcrackers. Which friend is taller? Alo is 4 nutcrackers tall, and Cody is 3 nutcrackers tall. So Alo is taller than Cody. Last one. Sort the nutcrackers from tallest to shortest. You put them in order from tallest to shortest. Thanks for playing with me.